Today we are going to dive into important tense which is widely used in daily conversation, that is present continuous tense. This tense is also known as present progressive tense. It is used to talk about actions that are happening at now or at the time of speaking. This is a versatile tense which is used to talk about actions that are in progress, to talk about future plans and temporary situations. Let us take some examples to understand better this tense. First, we talk about actions that are in progress. For example, I am teaching English. You are listening to me. My brother is playing outside. She is cooking something in the kitchen. All these actions describe the actions that is happening now. Next, this tense is also used to talk about future plans that are already scheduled or planned. For example, she is flying to New York next week. I am meeting my friends for lunch tomorrow. We are going to watch a movie tonight. Even though these sentences or these actions will happen in the future, but this tense is used because the actions are already planned or scheduled. Lastly, this tense is used to talk about temporary situations. It means it may change at any time, it is not permanent. For example, she is working on a project at the moment. She is staying with us this week. Or I am feeling tired today. All these actions, all these sentences describe the actions which are temporary, and these actions may change at any time. So that's enough for today. I hope this video will definitely help you. Remember, practice using this tense in your daily conversation to improve your English skills. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel Learn English with Ram. Thanks for watching.